Here we go.
Patrick Gates dog.
Is it?
First inning.
On what channel?
Hopefully it's back.
Alright, we're gonna bust the box picked by Junior Dung. Excuse me, Dr. Jung. 5-boxer Elite Series. Kobe pack, skinny kind. Who's got the Lakers in this anyway, getting on them Kobe packs? 1-1. Let me get a little closer to the action here. There you go. Got a glass card on the back. Here's what the base looks like if you weren't here for the first break and missed it out. All the base of veterans are numbered to 275. There's C.J. Watson, Udonis Haslem, and Earl Clark. And the rookies are numbered to 249, and there is an Anthony Davis. 73 of 249 for the Hornets. I don't want to see, because usually the best auto is the first one behind the rookie. So it'll go like this. Alright, we got a glass card, gold parallel. It's got the gold silhouette going on behind him. Kevin Garnett for the Celtics. And our first 15-boxer, we pulled 2 of the gold ice cards, or glass cards. You want to call it ice. Dwight Howard to 199. Elite Series insert. Lakers. First autograph. On card Assen Taint. Tyler Zeller, Cavaliers. Inscriptions. It is clear. I'm just going to be putting the dummy behind it so you guys can see their auto better. We got Allen Anderson, Court Kings on card. Toronto Raptors at 249. Can't see. Mo Harkless. Whoa. Orlando Magic. Inscription auto. And just like the first box of the last case, Bradley Beal. Wow, this is the inscription version for the Wizards. Last case we had the second box, maybe it was die cut auto of him. There you go. You get the focus. There it is. Bradley Beal for Freudinho. Bradley Beal inscriptions. Alright, box 2, we'll do the one, since Freudinho just got the big hit of that pack, we'll do his. Picked by Freudinho. Good job, Dustin. Wow. Look, he even thanked him. Wow. What a nice guy. It's Freudinho guy. Alright. Good break manners. It's very rare around here to have good break manners. Ichiro's got 4,000 career hits.
Big league, so like major league.
Not major league,
Professional hits.
Base is Boris Diaw, Spurs. C.J. Watson again, Brooklyn Nets. And Spencer Hawes for the Sixers. Draymond Green, number to 249.
Broken jaw, dude.
Really?
Yep. Fuck.
Nice.
Hayward got drilled in the fucking face. He's been on fire too, dude.
Jason Hayward.
He's been hitting bombs and making diamonds.
Alright, your ice card, your glass card. Here's the silver version. You can see compared to the gold. The silhouette is in silver. Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Glass. Electrifying, number to 125. Russell Westbrook insert to 125. Electrifying for the Thunder. Ooh. Got a die cut number to 78, Brian Roberts for the Hornets. The Aspiration die cut. 16 of 78. Hornitos. We got Robert Sacre for the Lakers. Inscriptions.
I saw it.
Then we got a redemption. Oh, look at that. See? Leandro Barbosa. Leandro Barbosa, Court Kings Auto. I don't know what team Leandro's on, but I know what team this guy's on. Court Kings, 17 out of 25 on-card Bill Russell.
Nice car.
Nice. 17 out of 25. Bill Russell, Court King Auto. And the Celtics. Bless
Here we
you.
go again.
Green Ballers. Felix has the Celtics. Barbosa will have to wait. All right, go Bravo Milos. Bravo Milos. Picked box.
Wow, double steal in your face.
Actually, that's like 7 feet tall.
He's a big pool rip ball. The throw ball in the dirt. He had no chance. Like that dude.
Hi, Mike. Earl Clark, Lakers. That's the second Earl Clark already. Mario Chalmers, Heat. C.J. Watson, the third one. Jeez, every box we've opened has had C.J. Watson in it.
What's the name of the Leandro Barbosa?
The Nets. Leandro Barbosa is from the Court Kings, white canvas. Jay Crowder to 249, Dallas Mavericks. He is card number 16.
Wizards.
Barbosa is Wizards. We're going to have a redemption for our main hit on this one. Wizards. Wiz. Alright, we got Dirk McGurk, glass, for the Mavericks. Dirk McGurk. Marcus Camby, New York Knicks. These are nice looking right here. Turn of the century, number to 99. 47 to 99.
Yeah.
Nolan Smith for the Blazers, rookie inscription. We got veteran die cut. Danilo Gallinari, number 92 of 92 for the Nuggets. Jay Crowder, rookie inscriptions, Dallas Mavericks. Crowder for Derb. And for the New York Knicks, rookie inscription, Iman Shumpert. Iman Shumpert, Knicks. Green Ballers. 2 boxes left, guys. Blade and Ed Seed. Let's do Ed Seed here.
Oh,
Oh, you can get good stuff in the Kobe's. We only open them if they're really thick because we're guaranteeing that there's a auto or a patch or a jersey in there. I think there's plenty of stuff you can hit in those skinny packs. They're hard to hit, but we don't open the thin ones unless the guys who got the Lakers ask us to. Oh, we got the vertical glass this time. Vertical glass.
I'm sure J.H. Minnie.
Chauncey Billups, Clippers. Who?
J.H. Minnie.
For what?
Insuring it.
What is it?
The cut.
Sure. Andre Kirilenko, number 1 of 275 for the T-Wolves. First one made. Wow, makes it about 10 cents more than the others. Corey Brewer for the Nuggets, and the rookie is Darius Morris. Darius Morris of the Lakers. Rookie.
Pronto.
I don't know, $1,000? Fuck. Glass Masters, Drazen Petrovic. Brooklyn Nets. Jonas Valanciunas, number to 199, Toronto Raptors. Good series. Nando De Colo die cut. Uh-oh, I see a name. I see a name coming, guys, through the glass. De Colo to 75, Spurs. We got Marshawn Brooks for the Brooklyn Nets. Marshawn Brooks, inscription rookie. Then we got Greg Steamsma for the T-Wolves. Huh?
Whatever.
And this one is numbered to 99. 2 of 99. Veteran inscriptions. Kobe. Kobe Bryant to 99. Very nice. The Lakers is 1-1. They got this Kobe sticker on the back there.
Priorities in here? Yep.
Last one goes to Blade. No, it's 2 of 99. Alrighty, here we go. Last box. Andre Iguodala, Nuggets. Joel Anthony, Heat. Maurice Spates, Cavaliers. And the rookie is Kenneth Faried for the Nuggets, 40 of 249.
Shit. Ain't gonna go. All the supplies and
We got an Glass Masters Kevin Durant for the Thunder.
this.
Yeah, what's
These are all the rest of the supplies and his cards.
Antoine Jameson, turn of the century to 99.
Here,
Lakers.
2 mags, bunch of penny sleeves, and then his package gets from Lumber.
On card Nick Collison for the Thunder. Court King, 249.
No.
Yeah.
Kyle Singler, Pistons.
Oh, hold on. Take a minute. We gotta watch this. Gotta watch this guy fit that envelope and all this into that thing.
No chance.
No chance, dude. Earth putting the square in the circle hole again.
Ed Davis, Court Kings. Ed Davis is Raptors, right? I believe. I don't know if he's still a Raptor. Ed Davis, Court Kings, white canvas. And last card, wow. 57 out of 99 for the Houston Rockets, Sam Cassell auto.
Alright, Alien Man.
Anyway, 57 out of 99, Sam Cassell.
Yeah, buddy.
Rockets is Al Azarcon Jr. Ed Davis Grizzlies. Thank you very much. Ed Davis is Grizzlies.
You might have done it, Herb.
That's it for the break. Thanks for watching. Big hits, Bill Russell, Kobe Bryant, Bradley Beal. 3 pretty sick autos in 5 boxes. Who else we got? Sam Cassell and Iman Shumpert for the 2 main hits. A couple nice glass. D. Rose, Durant, Dirk McGurk, and a gold Garnett. A few others mixed in. Peace.